Hey everyone, Kathleen Selmans here, CEO of Amplified Now, and I want to give you a little bit of background on what I've been doing. I feel like we're at a point in history where we're at the cutting edge of what the future is going to look like. There's going to be a time in the not too distant future where we're going to look back on AI the same way we look back on the internet or the cell phone or the smartphone today. And we're at the very beginning of it. And I want to help people like you who maybe aren't super comfortable with AI. Maybe you're a little bit afraid of it. I want you to be able to lean into it in order to make it work for you. So what I mean by that is that if you've ever done like a little bit of stuff with generative AI, you go to ChatGPT and you ask it to write for you. It sounds like a stupid robot. I have some ideas on how to get that undone. I've also been working on a suite of tools that uses AI, but then you don't ever have to show it. You don't ever have to see the guts of the AI. All you ever have to do is type in your inspiration content, and then you get social media content back, whether that's a carousel post for Instagram and LinkedIn, or it's a LinkedIn essay, or it's 10 tweets or short form content that you can put kind of anywhere. But it's better than just like, hello, robot emoji, rocket emoji, whatever. It really does help. And I'm excited about it. And it's funny when you get into something, you immediately realize you don't know anything. But I went to this AI conference in February where it was really clear that nobody knows what's going on or who's in charge. Somebody likened it to like, we're all on a boat. Everybody at that conference is on a boat. And we came to the boat, we came to the top deck to see who was the captain, only to find out that nobody is captaining the boat, but at least we're on the boat, we're not drowning. And I think like if you're not using AI to grow your business, I've got a tool. It's $37 a month. It's meetclaudette.com. You really ought to try it out because it's going to help you create better content for your social media in not very much time. So then it'll help you amplify the content you've already created. It'll help you get your message out there. It'll help you with organic social media so that you can just set it up and be done with it. It's super, super helpful. And I'm also like diving into different ways to use AI. And the best ways I've seen are through their API, which is more technical than I've ever been. Usually as a marketer, my tech starts and stops with WordPress. Or if I really want to get fancy, go high level, right? Like it's using the API means you're like connecting to the back end of things. But what it means for you is that when you see a form on the front end, all you're ever seeing is something that you're totally comfortable with. And when you get an email back, that's totally normal. It's got a link to a Google Doc. You've seen those before. So it's AI for people who don't want to get into the technical pieces of it, who don't want to subscribe to ChatGPT and Claude and Perplexity. They don't want to even figure it out. They just want to make it work for them. That's what I've created. That's at meetclaudette.com. And I really want you to go over there and take a look. I'm also really trying to get better, and not better necessarily in the like super high quality content, this should be in Hollywood type of thing, but more comfortable on camera. It's one of my weakest spots. And I was just telling my friend the last time I recorded this video, that I was just telling my friend that I feel I'm getting a lot better at this, only to find out after I'd uploaded it to YouTube that my microphone was muted. I don't even know how to mute this microphone. So I'm not sure how I did that, but I think like I'm keeping this story in here because I think it's more important to just get stuff out and get stuff going and get you to like understand how some of this stuff works. I will be showing in future videos like how I'm using some of the tools that I'm subscribed to. You can check them out. You can decide not to. There's some that I don't think you'll need, and then there's some that I just love and use all the time. So depending on who you are and depending on what kind of business owner you are, you may want to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.